was, we were trying for a conventional one, but due to the shaft, all that, we were not possible for that. And we saw in one of our cousin's place, the hydraulic ones. Then we thought the safety constraint and the glass thickness, everything, and moreover it was elegant. Considering all that, we went for the elite group. Right. The basic thing was that special moment. My Mr. Murali Krishna, his father, is there. He is 95 years old. Okay. He is very comfortable with the lift. The main purpose for the lift to put a lift in my house was for him and my son. Right. My son is just 7 years old. He keeps playing with that, actually going up and down instead of coming in stairs.
Name of the company, Tyson Group. Because even whenever we go out of the country also, we see the name. The second thing is goodwill in the market, and after hearing about the product, we thought we should go to a premium quality elevator. Because local elevators are also available. They are available even in half of the cars, but still we have chosen this because it's for personal use, for security, safety. We have given preference to this. We take the name. Not only that we are using, but naturally we recommend this.